Sorry guys, so we are at the park. So we went to church just now, and then the boys, Dan and Michael, are walking there, and we are here at the park now. So here in Tirana, Tirana is the capital of Albania. So we are here. This is a big park here. So I am here guys under the sun.
Dito sa fountain, doon yung picture tayo doon, no?
Saan?
Parang mga fountain daw, ipasa mo sa akin, te. Dito muna.
So still have the restaurants from up. Also still have restaurants from up there. So they have also the fountain here. So there's the restaurant.